Hello! In the Shop Builder series, today we will learn how to build a custom shop. So, initially we need to install the ShopBuilder WooCommerce Page Builder for Elementor, powered by Radius theme. And then active this with the Elementor and WooCommerce plugin. Then go to the template builder, add new. Firstly, set your template settings with the template name as custom shop. Select template type as shop and enable set as active template. As you can see here, several clipboard samples. You can import any one from these pre-built samples. I am choosing the blank template to build one from scratch. Now put your cursor on archive title and drag this to the title widget. You can see an interface like this one. You can change the heading tag and also the alignment and indent like left, center, right, and justify. Then back to the Shop Builder General, breadcrumbs, and then to the style. Here also you can change the alignment, color, icon size, or icon color. For the next part, there you will see 3 options to drag your widgets, and I am going to choose a 3-column layout. Now drag and drop result count for the first layout and drag and drop product ordering to the middle, and then drag and drop your view mode widget just next to it. You can drag your box size for customizing in your preference. I am here just showing you the process how to do you as your preference. When you are done with your customization here, go to the Shop Builder shop. Again, in the layout, you can also see the 2 types, grid view layout and list view layout. Go to the advanced setting option to customize your preference like padding. Also in the layout, you can customize the content width and width in descending or ascending order. Can you see the difference? Yeah. So after that, we can go back to the columns. In the column, there are a number of columns: grid gap, spacing, and elements alignment. Alignment for center, left, and right. Then, for another customization, go to the pagination and image. Go to the setting option. In the setting option, there are 6 customization opportunities, such as show product title, product short, product price, rating, badges, and categories. For style, you can further customize the product title for operating typography, alignment, color. Here you also can change your background color, border type, and margin. Similarly, customize the product price with typography, alignment, colors, sale price and regular price color, border type, padding, and margin. After product price, go to the badges widget to adjust your desired typography, vertical alignment, horizontal and vertical page position, color, background color, border radius, padding, and margin. Here you can change your vertical alignment in the top, middle, or even in the bottom position, including badge position to increase or decrease. So after that, go to the product categories. When you are done with product categories, let's check again and take a glance to the setting widget as well as style widget. Before going forward, you can further test the view and check it again. How does your shop page look in grid version or in the list view version? This is your choice. Lastly, in the advanced, You can further change and customize the background type, color, and the image too. Here is the option. You can change your color as your own choice and preference. Once you are done, click on Update to save. And there you have it. The fantastic Shop Builder and Elements Page Builder allow you to quickly create your very own WooCommerce shop page. Thank you for watching.